So this is my water, and I'm just gonna wake up my hair. It's so thick. Y'all know I cannot comb through my hair now without um moisturizing it first. If you comb through your hair, if your hair is dry, you comb it through your hair, you just breaking it off. It's just like dropping a glass. I know sometimes we just want to take our comb and comb through our hair, but don't do that. So we have that. I'm just going to grab an oil. I am just going to grab an oil. This is nothing but coconut oil, okay? And I am just going to, remember I told you water hydrates and moisturize, but this oil is going to seal it in. I got something I want to show y'all. I know y'all going to love. And I'll be giving y'all tips just like I just did. So this is a wide tooth comb. Y'all know that I had cut a lot of my hair off, and I'm constantly clipping my ends because I told y'all I do not like my hair being see-through, and it is not see-through, but it's growing. You can't even tell that I cut it. For a matter of fact, I probably need to clip the ends again, but I know all of that hair is, good, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm just waiting for one big cut. Okay, so we hydrated our hair with bottled water, and we sealed that water in with the oil, okay? That's why I told y'all in the other videos, I don't mix my oil in my water, because water and oil don't mix. Also, y'all know, when I'm getting ready to band my hair, I do special things for that too. I have a little container here, y'all, and my bands is in there, and oil is in there. So I soak my bands in oil. I have to go and do a quick run, and sometimes I just don't feel like going through all of that to do a quick run. It's about to get cold outside, y'all. We are in September. We are. And there's a couple of things that we can do, for our hair. This is nothing but, extreme gel. Y'all, I really do like this gel. I do still have my Eco Styling gel, but I really do like that gel. I have to run to the store real quick. There's a couple of things that I can do to my hair, y'all. It is. If it's that serious, I don't think it's that serious. I don't think it's that serious. It's early in the morning. That is extreme gel. Okay. And now we are going to take our satin protector, because that's what it is, a satin protector. Let's put it on. Now from here, we could just go, and if you want some extra security, it's other things I'm going to show y'all too about this. But y'all, it's about to get cold. And I told y'all, don't put nothing against your head that ain't satin or silk, because your nylon wig caps, they break the hair off and you ain't going to see it or notice it until it's too late. So have some type of barrier between your wigs, your caps, your scarves, all that. So if I was going to wear her today, y'all know this. This is the Effie ponytail that we just restyled. Then, see how that cap is covering all of this. Okay, so we're going to push this back. We just don't want anything touching our hair that is not satin or silk. Then on top of that, y'all, our hair is doing so good because these combs that's in this Effie ponytail is not going through my hair. They are going through that band. They are going through the band, being held on by the band. Okay, so if that is the case, we got ourselves together. If you want, you could put some pins through the band, through the hair, We're not putting any of that on our hair. All these little tips and tricks that I've been bringing y'all, my hair is like loving it. It is loving it. And of course, if this is what we're going to wear, we'll style the baby hair and we keep it moving, we keep it pushing, right? You know, we can even put on a headband with this if we wanted to. Do our little baby hairs and stuff here. So yeah, I hope y'all have been looking at the videos because I'm showing y'all everything that I am doing to my hair. And that is why my hair is thicker. It is doing really good. Things that you didn't think about, I inform you all on my channel. So that's if we're going to wear this, you know. And that's any piece that you may have. That's if you're going to wear that. But like I said, it is getting colder outside. So, and I love cute hats. So if I am going to wear a hat, just pump your hair up a little bit. Just pump your hair up a little bit. If that's what you want to do, just pump it up wherever you want to pump it up at. You see that? Look at the one. Then what you're going to do, you're going to get your satin protector and do the same thing. Wait till I show you all what I have to show you all in this video. I'm excited about that. And this is just something real quick, y'all. And I constantly add on when I, you know, do something. And for extra security, if you want that, then you can put that around the band, especially if you're going to use something with pins. And I love these hats. I am going to go buy me some more of these hats today because I absolutely love this cap. And there we are. This is one of my go-to styles when I really just don't want to do my hair and I have something quick I have to do. And if you want, because we have the band around there, you could put your pins through the band to ensure if it's windy or whatever that your hat will not blow off. So here's a pin, and I love these hats. The band is right there. You can get whatever color pin you want, whether it's going to match your hat or whatever, or it don't matter. And that is holding that right there. You put your little cute earrings on, y'all. It's time to go. Not only is your hair protected, but you got a little style in the front as well. Okay, so we got that right. Look at that. Put one over here too. Or those designer, you know, little pins with the rhinestones on it. Yeah. All right, so now, so what I am going to do is part my hair. But our hair is growing. I hope y'all have been following along with the regimens. Leave in the comment section down below if what I am showing you is helping, because we're adding on. You cannot miss a video because we're adding on layers to what I am doing. Well, guys, that is about it. Whether you're going to use a hat or your hair unit, this is another way to protect your hair. Well, I am about to get out of here. You all have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, I love to do everything else, skincare. And for a matter of fact, I am going to show you how I am elevating my skin with something that I am doing now over there on Regina's Way. So go over there, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share as well over there, you all. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, leave your concerns in the comment section down below anything that I didn't address in this video or anything you would like to share or want to know. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah.